Let us start. Question number 4. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? And if consistent, obtain the solution graphically. First, you have to check whether it is consistent or not. Consistent means solution is possible, and inconsistent means solution is not possible. If solution is possible, find out the solution with the help of graph. First question, x plus y equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y equals to 10. First convert into standard form and then find out with the help of formula, find out whether it is consistent or not. See, x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Here 2x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. You can divide this second equation by 2. So divide by 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. You can see that both the equations are same. If both the equations are same, then both the equations are coincide with on each other. Means the only one single line. That means infinitely many solutions are there. Okay. Now see. Here, according to formula, a1 upon a2, a1 is the coefficient of x. Here also coefficient of x is 1. b1 upon b2, that is equals to 1. Here also 1, 1 upon 1. And c1 upon c2 equal to minus 5 upon minus 5, that is equals to 1 upon 1. So you can write a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 equals to c1 upon c2. All these three ratios are same. If these three ratios are same, then you can write that the linear equation is consistent. Equation are consistent. Now find out table. Okay, here the equations are same, so you have to draw only one line from equation 1 or equation 2. Both x plus y minus 5 equals to 0, so I can write x plus y equal to 5. From this I can derive x equals to 5 minus y. X, y. Now see, if you take y 0, then x is 5. If you take y 5, 5 minus 5 is 0. Take y equal to 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. If you take 3, then 2. Both equations are same, means infinitely many solution. You can write infinite way. See, to draw the graph, see properly that x and y both coordinates are same, positive. So enlarge your first quadrant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. X coordinate 5, y is 0. See, x coordinate is 5 and y is 0. Now x coordinate is 0 and y is 5. Here 1, 4 and 2, 3. So your graph is a line, and like this. You can write infinitely many solution the equation has. Is it okay? Now second. Second equation is x minus y equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y equals to 16. Here x minus y minus 8 equal to 0, and here 3x minus 3y minus 16 equals to 0. Okay. Now find the ratio a1 upon a2. Coefficient of x is 1. Here coefficient of x is 3. b1 upon b2. Coefficient of y is minus 1. Here coefficient of y is minus 3. That is minus minus plus 1 by 3. And c1 upon c2 equals to minus 8 upon minus 16 minus minus plus 8 2s are, so 1 upon 2. So the situation is what? a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. It means what? a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, but it is not equals to c1 upon c2, and that's why we can write that the pair of equation is inconsistent, no solution is there. Equation are inconsistent. Is it okay? If equations are inconsistent, you have not to draw graph. Now third number, consider the equation 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. And second equation 4x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. See, here you can take 2 common. No need to write 2 common, keep it as it is. And if you take 2 common, then also it is right. Simply find out the ratio a1 upon a2, 2 upon 4, that is equals to half. b1 upon b2 equals to 1 upon minus 2, means minus half. c1 upon c2 equals to minus 6 upon minus 4 minus minus plus, that is 3 by 2. Okay, so a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, is not equals to c1 upon c2. Therefore, we can say that it has unique solution. Therefore, equation are consistent because it has unique solution. Means they intersect each other at one and only one point. Now, from equation 1, you have to draw the graph. 2x plus y minus 6 equals to 0. I keep y on left side and the remaining 2 on right side. Minus 6 move this side, plus 6 plus 2x move this side, minus 2x. And then draw the table. If you take x is 0, then y is 6. If you take x is 1, 6 minus 2 and z 2, 4. If you take 2, 2 to the 4, 6 minus 4 is 2. 3, 2 3 is 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. Now from equation number 2, 4x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So I take 4x as it is, minus 2y move the side, plus 2y minus 4 mother. So x equals to 2 common, y plus 2 upon 4. 2 2s are. So x is what? Y plus 2 divided by 2. And make a table. See, think about y, our right side. If you take y 0, 0 plus 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then suppose 2 plus 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then 4 plus 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Enough? 3 points. See, we got the common point 2, 2. That means this graph intersect each other at point 2, 2. That means solution is 2, 2. X coordinate 2, y coordinate 2. Okay, I rub the remaining part and keep this part as it is because I want to draw graph. See, x-axis and y-axis. Both are positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus are not needed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, x coordinate 0 and y coordinate 6. 0 but y coordinate 6. x1, y4, 2, 2, and 3, 0. The graph is like this. Okay? Second, x coordinate 1, 0, 2, 2, 3, 4. Means intersection point is 2, 2. This is the solution. Solution of the given pair of linear equations. Is it okay? Now, question number 4. Okay, 4 number is what? 2x minus 2y minus 2 equals to 0, and second equation is 4x minus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. Here you can take 2 common, 0 is there, so no need to write 2. Okay, 2 common and 2 moves this side, 0 divided by 2 is 0. Now, a1 upon a2, coefficient is 1 upon 4, b1 upon b2, minus 1 upon minus 4, that is 1 upon 4, c1 upon c2, that is minus 1 upon minus 5, that is 1 upon 5. So here the situation is a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2, but it is not equals to c1 upon c2. It means what? Say, that means there is no solution. Equation has no solution, and no solution means equations are inconsistent. And if they are inconsistent, no need to draw the graph because solution is not there. This is your number 4 question number. Now question number 5. See, question number 5. Half the perimeter. See the question in page number 50. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its breadth, means width, is 36 meters. Find the dimension of the garden. Okay, we suppose length and breadth. Let length of the garden is x meter and breadth is y meter. Okay, according to the data, given that half the perimeter of rectangular garden, whose length is 4 meters more than its width. Length is 4 meters. Length is 4 meters more than width. Width means breadth. I can write length means x, is means equals to 4 meters more means plus 4. Then what width means? Yeah. X equals to y plus 4 or x minus y minus 4 equals to 0. This is the standard form. First equation. Now again read the statement. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meters more than its breadth. Half the perimeter is 36 meters. half the perimeter is 36 meter. Perimeter means 2 times length plus 2 times breadth equals to 36 perimeter. So half the perimeter is half of it. Half, this is what perimeter. Half means half. Perimeter is 2 times length plus 2 times breadth, given 36. Now from the bracket, you can take 2 common, x plus y equals to 36. 2 to cancel. So x plus y minus 36 equals to 0. This is the second equation. Now you have to do what? Find the dimension of the garden. Means find length and breadth. See, from 1, x minus y minus 4 equals to 0. I apply easy method without drawing graph, because here it is not given that draw the graph. So x equals to what? Take this 2 term other side, minus y will be plus, minus 4 will be plus 4. Okay, now place this value of x in equation number 2. Place this value, call it number 3, in equation 2. Now 2 means x plus y minus 36 equals to 0. Now I have the value of x. X is what? Y plus 4 plus y minus 36 equals to 0. Simplify. Y plus y is 2y. 4 minus 36 is minus 32 equal to 0. Minus 32 move other side, plus 32. 2y equal to 32. Move this side. 2 move other side, so y equal to 32 divided by 2, that is equals to 16. But we have number 3. X equals to what? Y plus 4. Place the value of x. Value of y. Y is what? 16 plus 4. So x equals to 20. Therefore, length of the rectangular garden, that is x, means 20 meter, and width or breadth of the rectangular garden, that is equals to y, means 16 meter. Is it okay? Now question number 6. Given the linear equation, write another linear equation in 2 variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so form. Again, our formula, 3 chances. Equation is given 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. Now the first is write the second equation, means you have to write it randomly. It means you have infinite answer. અગર એક સ્ટુડન્ટ એક આન્સર લખે તો બીજો બી લખી શકે છે, એટલે આનો આન્સર તમે કમ્પેર નહીં કરી શકો. ઇઝ ઇટ ઓકે? One equation is given, you have to write another equation, but in such a way that solution is intersecting line. Intersecting line. Now remember, intersecting line means unique solution. Unique solutions formula is what? Means our rule is what? A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2 is not equal to C1 upon C2. Means you have to write second equation. Let second equation is 2 upon something. Suppose I take 5x, means 2 upon 5, that is A1 upon A2. But it should not be equals to B1 upon B2. So 3 upon, suppose minus 3 upon 2i, means A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon A2. And that is not equal to C1 upon C2 plus suppose 7, that is equals to 0. Therefore, we can derive A1 upon A2 is not equals to B1 upon B2 is not equals to C1 upon C2. Therefore, which we can say that both the equation has unique solution and the lines are intersecting lines. Okay. Second, One equation is already have, we have to find another equation and which satisfy this condition that the lines are parallel lines. Okay. Now parallel lines are possible only when a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2, but it is not equal to c1 upon c2. So it is possible only when the condition is what? a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2 is not equals to c1 upon c2. So by seeing this condition, let's write the equation 2x. So suppose I write 4x, second equation. Then a1 upon a2 is 2 upon 4, that is half. So I should write now plus, here 3y, so I should write 6y, 3 upon 6 is also half, but it is not equal to c1 upon c2. I can write plus 16 equal to 0. 8 minus 8 upon 16 is minus half. You can write here 12, 13, 14, 15, 1, anything. But from this, so which satisfied the condition. Which satisfy the condition. Okay, and third is what? Coincident lines. Coincident line means both lines are same. Both lines are same means it is possible only when a1 upon a2 is equals to b1 upon b2, it is equals to c1 upon c2. If these three are same, then and then we can say that both the lines are coincident with each other and infinitely many solutions are there. It means both the equations should be same. You can multiply it by 3, half also. Okay, I write the typical one. Multiply this equation by half. So second equation will be half multiplied here with half, then 2 to cancel x, here with half 3 by 2y, and here with half minus 4 equal to 0. You can multiply this equation by 3, 4, 5, 2 also, okay, anything, but I write it typically. So which satisfies the condition. That's why we said infinitely many solutions are there. Okay, this is about question number 6. And the last question of this exercise, question number 7. Draw the graph of the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Draw the graph of this equation. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. Interesting. See, first x equals to minus y, move to the side, plus y, plus 1, move to the side, minus 1. I keep it 2y as it is, minus 12, move this side, plus 12, and plus 3x, move this side, minus 3x. So this is y equal to 12 minus 3x divided by 2. Now draw the table for both equations. Now suppose here if y is 0 then x is minus 1. If y is 1, 1 minus 1 0. 2, 2 minus 1 1. 3, 3 minus 1 2. And if you take minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 will be minus 2. Is it okay? Here also take x suppose 0. If x is 0 then this term will be 0. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Now take x is 2. 3 2s are 6. 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Now take 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12, 0 divided by anything, 0. If you take minus 2, don't take this, it will be bigger one. Enough to, if you want to draw a line, 2 distinct points are necessary. Here we take 3 points. Now draw the graph. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now check it. The first equation, x coordinate minus 1, y coordinate 0. Here it is. Second, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 1. So the line is like this. This is the first equation graph. Second equation, 0, 6, 2, 3, common point, 4, 0. So solution is 2, 3. Call it A, B, C. Write the coordinate of A. A coordinate is 2, 3. B coordinate is x coordinate minus 1 and it is on x-axis, so y coordinate is 0, minus 1, 0. What about C? X coordinate 4, y coordinate is 0. Is it okay? And then shade the region. Triangle ABC is formed. You have to show why shaded. Is it okay? This is your exercise 3.2. Do it properly. Write down all the sums by repeating this video. Okay, that's it.